Hello, good morning, students. Now let us see the general characters properties of p block elements. Okay, so point by point we are going for the NEET and JEE students. What are the first point? Differentiating electrons enter into p orbital of valence cell. P orbital of valence cell. Differentiating. What is meaning of differentiating electron, student? If you talk about differentiating electron, that is last electron. So last electron will go in the p orbital of the valence cell. Valence cell matlab means, student, valence cell also means last cell. Valence cell means last cell. Differentiating electron means last electron. Okay, so what would be the configuration? Np1 to Np6. This will be the p orbital configuration. Next point is there, student. What is the next point? General outer cell configuration of p block element is ns2. S orbital is completely filled and np orbital is 1 to 6. Electron will enter into 1 to 6. So this is also very easy. You can take the carbon example. Carbon is how much, student? 6. So this is your 1s2. There is no problem. This is the valence cell 2s2, 2p2. This is, so what you are finding, that is ns2, np2. So this is the p block element. You can do other configuration also. Next point is there. P block elements are arranged in 6 group. P block elements are arranged in 6 group. They are from 3rd A to 7A and 0 group are 13 to 18 group. Better you can say third, student, 13 to 18 group. See, student, first group, that is first A. Second group, that is second A. Then what is coming, student? Third A to 7A. Third A to 7A means 13 group is third A. Okay, student, third A. And 14 group is what? Fourth A. 15 group is fifth A. 16 group is 6A. And 17 group is 7A. Okay, 7A. And 18 group is either you say 0 or 18. So, the P block elements are arranged in how many groups, students? 6 group. They are from 3rd A to 7A and 0 group. Okay, or you can say 13 to 18 group. Next point, let us see, student, what are the next point. So boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium belongs to 3rd A group. Boron family, these elements have 3 electrons in outermost cell. Configuration ns2 np1, general outer cell configuration. So boron family, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Student, when you are memorizing, these are the group 13. Group 13 you say, or that is you can say 3rd A also. So what will be there, student? Boron, aluminium, then gallium, then thallium. So these indium will be also there, student. Here boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. So there is how to memorize, student. Bal, Gangadhar, Indian, Intilak. This is this is a B for ball, BAL. This is bal. Okay, bal. GA for Gangadhar, Indian, Tilak. Okay, so we memorize like that, group 13 elements. Next one is C is there. Carbon, silicon, germanium, S and Pb belongs to fourth A group, carbon family. These elements have 4th electron in outermost cell with ns2 np2 as a general electronic configuration. So their general electronic configuration is ns2 np2. Right, student? ns2 np2. This is the general electronic configuration of the elements. Okay, next one, when you are going for the understanding, the next point, student, what is there? Let us see, that is next point is there. This is the how to memorize the, student, for this carbon family. See what are there: carbon, silicon, germanium, SN, Pb. So कहे सीता जी, कहे शिव जी सुन पार्वती. C for कहे, शिव, SI for शिव, GE for G, कहे शिव जी, SN for सुन पार्वती. So that is what how we memorize, student. Next one is what is NP, AS, SB and BI. nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth belongs to fourth A group nitrogen family, that is known as what? Nicogen family, student. Nicogen. These elements have 5 elements in outermost cell with what is configuration, student? With NH2 NP3 configuration. अब student nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth are there. How to memorize this name, student? नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया सब बीमार. नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया सब बीमार. Like that you can memorize in Hindi. Oxygen, next one is that oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium belongs to 6A group, oxygen family. Okay, that is known as chalcogens. These elements have 6 electrons in outer cell with NH2 NP4 as a general cell configuration. How to memorize this, student? If you want to memorize the name of these elements, how can you be able to memorize? Here you see. Okay, better I am trying to erase this out, but it is not getting erased. Okay, let me write somewhere here. That is also not getting erased, student. Okay, so how this is oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. How to memorize this, student? Old style say typo. Old, O for old, S for style, S for say, TE for TEPO. Old style say typo. This is the answers. Okay, next point we are going, student. Next point is there for the group 17, FClBrI. FClBrI. How you can write, student? FClBrI are there. Okay, so how you will be able to write, student, for this one? If you want to write here, okay, next, the slide says not working. Something is the problem occurred here. This actually hang out, student. How to write now? Let us move for another side. Here is also it's not working, I think. Okay, let me check out what is the reason behind this.